In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to treat your home like I would treat your home, so you can stop wasting your money on pest control. You can do it yourself. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to need is something like this right here. It's a long arm. I use this every day. I'm telling you, every day. It extends up to like 2 to 3 stories. And this is what I get down with wasps, spiders, spider webs. This is what I mainly use for that. This is the only thing I use to get down spider webs. This is what you're going to use to go around your windows, your doorways, the roof line. Everywhere you see webs at, you want to use this to take it down. Now, you see this right here? This is your duster head. You need this as well. They come apart. They come apart. You can buy these separately. They're both pretty inexpensive for what you're going to be using it for. It will last you years down the line. You might have to buy these more. These are, like I said, they are duster heads, and you want to get this connected to this, and you'll have a good dewebber pole. But now, if you don't want something so big and heavy, because this is pretty heavy when you first use it, and when it's fully extended, it's kind of hard to control. But if you want something like smaller, I can show you something smaller as well. See, now they also have small long arms as well. So if you want to, this extends as well. Mine doesn't, because I don't know why. Mine's probably broken. But if you want something that's small, something lightweight, that can get up medium high around your porch area, you don't need to do around your whole home. This would be a good thing for you. Same thing, duster head, screw it on, and you can do the same thing with this as well. But with this, you need something else too. You will want to get Delta dust. As you can see, you will want to get Delta dust, something like this right here, to put on the duster head. Now, I recommend you get something like a bulb duster. Get a bulb duster so you can just easily pump it into the duster head. Like, for example, you don't want to put too much, correct? You just want to put a little bit in there, just like this. So you get in there, shake it in there, and then boom, you're done. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. And that would be your little spider defense mechanism, wasps as well. So it's just that simple. Now, that's normally the first thing I do for houses. Second thing is I spray. Now, you want to get a backpack sprayer. I would recommend Flowzone. Flowzone is a very good brand for backpack sprayers, but there are other ones out there that's kind of cheaper and more of a budget range if you don't want to spend that much money on it. Get the one that you're more comfortable with, but the most important is the chemical that you use in there. The chemical I use is Fast Cap Onslaught. Now, Fast Cap Onslaught is a very good spray. It treats for ants, spiders, scorpions. You have that problem. It's a very good thing to use. This is how it looks like. Now, I would say you guys will not be able to get the whole gallon like I get. You probably get a smaller bottle, but this is for pest control technicians like me. And you won't be able to actually deliver to your home unless you have a pest control company that's certified and legalized in your state. So, but you want to get that. You want to fill up your backpack sprayer, 3, 4, how many gallons it is, and you want to put 1 ounce per gallon. Spray around your foundation, just to make sure when the spiders crawl up or ants go next to your foundation, they die. You want to spray 3 feet out, 3 foot up, and that should be good for that as well. If you want to spray inside, because this action can go inside as well, you'll want to get a smaller sprayer, which is called a B&G. I can show you right now. Now, this is called a B&G. As you can see, this is called a B&G. It's a big boy. It's a big boy. It's a gallon sprayer for the inside. It's very good. You do not want to spray your backpack sprayer inside. You want to use this right here. Now, this one costs like $200. You can go to Home Depot, get a plastic one, and do the same thing. Put a gallon in there, put 1 ounce in there, spray your home. You want to only spray corners and places you really do need it. You want to limit the spray you spray inside. So do not spray that much, okay? Then the last thing you most definitely would need is a granule around your home to protect your home even further. Right now, I'm using Nightband. Excuse the bottle, it's been through some time. It's called Nightband. This is very good. It's for ants, slugs, crickets, snails, silverfish, anything you have problems with, they got you. Except fire ants. This does not treat for fire ants. You might have to get a separate bait for that fire ants, but that will be very good for your common pest scenario, right? And for that, I go around your home every 5 feet and place a little bit down at a time. Since it is bait, you do not want to put too much out and attract more than you need. Now, I would say it's another type of granule that I like using. It's called a bifin. I don't have it here, but bifin is not a bait. It soaks into your soil and create a barrier around your home. You just need to make sure you use it properly, like with all the chemicals I showed you. Read the label, get the proper PPE, gloves. What I should be wearing right now is gloves, and for the dust, a little face dust mask, just to make sure you don't breathe that in. But besides that, once you get all this stuff, you can easily do what I'm doing for the fraction of the cost. I would say for the backpack sprayer, you don't want to put too much in the backpack sprayer, then the spray sits in your backpack sprayer for months. Just add like a gallon here, a gallon there, just to see how much you do need for your home, so you don't waste product and let it sit there over time. But besides that, guys, that's all you really have to do. That's what I do. So if you have any problems, any questions, let me know in the comments. I can help you out. But yeah, I see you guys later.